Alright, good morning, Shadows. I feel like shit. I think I got a cold, which is amazing, but that can't stop a travel day. So we're leaving Budapest today, headed to Pecs, but we'll be back in a couple of days to finish up Budapest, the things I didn't get to see, which is good because yesterday was just kind of a scrap like you could see. So hopefully I can get a free pass onto the metro to get to Delhi. That's the North Station, and then try to figure out what the hell's going on from there. Alright guys, we'll chat in a bit. Good morning, Shadows. So I've been MIA for a couple of days. I got a cold, which sucks when you're traveling. Luckily, I had booked 5 days in Pecs, so I had a couple of days where I could just take my time and get better. But I missed all the sunny days. Today and tomorrow are supposed to be cloudy, so I mean, you know, whatever. It's cool. Either way it goes, I'm still going to get to see the stuff. I'm trying to wait for this bus to take off because it's kind of loud. So anyways, I think Pecs is something like the 5th largest city in Hungary. But for today, so it's pretty big. We're not going to get to see all of it, of course, but we will get to see today. We're going to do like town center, so there's a lot of like old buildings and stuff down there. And then tomorrow, my host for the hostel suggested this really cool hike up to what they call the White Church. You're supposed to be able to have spectacular views. So we'll probably do that tomorrow. Oh, and it's a hike, guys. It's steep. It's like this up. So, you know, it'll take us a little bit of time. But today I thought I'd do something easier so that I could still kind of recoup a little bit more. I feel like 95%, so let's see what Pecs has to offer. Let's see what Pecs has to offer. Oh Lord. Yeah. See, I haven't talked a lot lately, so let's see what Pecs has to offer. so like I said, just tooling around the city. Found this really cool park. Checking out a part of the city I didn't wander around the other day. You know, this is where like the free walking tours really help because there's not like a lot of context to anything. So I don't know what's going on. I just have to read the little plaques and hope that they're a little bit in English. Alright guys, stay here for a few seconds, then we'll get back going. So everything we just looked at is in the medieval university. I'm going to show you a couple other things here in a minute. These were all built like in the 1300s, so pretty darn cool. Of course, probably had to be renovated, as you can see. Some of it looks pretty new, but it's really cool. Like you can tour this little place, and then check this out. Kind of cool. We're just going to keep roaming. I mean, I got a couple hours, and that's what today is all about. Just kind of show you the city itself. And yeah, here we go.